Hello everyone, welcome to Rejuvenating Club. Let's inspire, let's grow. Episode 30.
Hi all, my name is Prathyusha from Vedavyasa Institute of Technology, BTech first year Civil Engineering. My topic of presentation is prefabrication and now I am talking about it. Introduction. The use of prefabrication technology has proven to be more visible than ever due to various advances in design construction technologies, combined with increasing emphasis of the industry to highlight cost, schedule, and labor issues. The new technologies such as computer controlled fabrication equipment, electronically controlled data, and mechanization have provided opportunities for advances in design efficiency and coordination. While these technologies may provide overall project benefit regardless of the construction method, certain arrangements can be directly reduced through the use of these technologies. Definition. Prefabrication is a practice of assembling components of a structure in a factory or other manufacturing site and transporting complete assemblies or sub-assemblies to the construction site where the structure is to be located. Meaning, the assembly of building or other components at a location other than the building site. The method controls structure cost by economizing and time, wages, and material. Prefabricated units may include door, stairs, window, walls, wall panels, floor panels, room-sized components, and even entire buildings. The term is used to distinguish the process from the more conventional construction practice of transporting the basis material to the construction site where all assemblies is carried out. Prefabricated building is a completely assembled and erected building of which is the structural parts consist of prefabricated individual units or assemblies using ordinary or controlled materials. Prefabricated construction is a new technology and is desirable for large scale housing programs, yet this has to take a firm hold in this country. Next is the aims of prefabrication constructions. Prefabrication is used to affect economy in cost, components manufactured under controlled conditions. The speed of construction is increased since no curing period is necessary. Prefabrication helps in the use of locally available materials with required characteristics like lightweight, easy workability, thermal insulation, non-combustibility, etc. Advantages of prefabrications: high quality product, labor related savings in time, overall efficiency is greatly increased. Mass production is earlier and quick. Protected and controlled production environment. Protection for lower production cost and other cost savings. Independence of climatic conditions. The disruption of traffic is avoided, ensures high degree of safety. Moving partially assembly from a factory often costs less than moving pre-production resource to each site. Deploying resource on site can add costs. Prefabricating assemblies can save costs by reducing on-site work. Consistent indoor environment of factories eliminate most impact of weather on production. Cranes and reusable factory supports can allow shapes and sequence without expensive on-site false work. Machine mediated parts movement and freedom from wind and rain can improve construction safety. Disadvantages: careful handling of prefabricated components such as concrete panels or steel panels is required. Attention has to be paid to the strength and corrosion resistance of the joining of prefabricated section to avoid failure of the joint. Similarly, leaks can form a joint in prefabricated components. Transportation costs may be higher for voluminous prefabricated section than for the materials of which they are made, which can often be packed more compactly. Large prefabricated sections require heavy duty cranes and precision measurement and handling to place in position. Characters are to be considered. Easy availability, lightweight for easy handling and transport to economize on section and size of foundations. Thermal insulation property, easy workability, durability in all weather conditions, non-combustibility, economy in cost, and sound insulation. Materials to be used in prefabricated system: concrete, steel, treated wood, aluminum, cellular concrete, lightweight concrete elements, ceramic product, etc. Prefabrication system. The system of prefabricated construction depends on the extent on the use of prefab components, their material sizes, and the technique adapted for the manufacture and the use in building. Components of prefab construction: flooring and roofing scheme, beams, columns, walls, staircase, lintels, sunshade, etc. Limitations of prefabrication: small number of units required may prove to be economical. Special connections such as special bearing to transmit the vertical and horizontal loads can add cost to the system. Waterproofing at joints, transportation difficulties, need for cranes. Prefabrication as defined will be done in two stages: manufacturing and factory condition and erection, components at the required location. These require certain stages of preparation. They are casting, curing, transportation, and erection. Casting. Casting is precast components are cast with controlled cement concrete in molds of required shape and sizes. The vibrator is used to vibrate concrete and this remove any honeycombing inside the component. Curing. After 24 hours of casting, the casted components are released from the mold and transported to curing tasks. Certain special components like railway sleepers where high strength is required are steam cured. Transportation and erection. After complete curing is done, the components are transported to the site with heavy trucks and erection will be done using cranes with skilled labor force. Conclusion. The use of prefabrication is estimated to have almost doubled in the last 15 years, increased by 86%. The use of precast concrete construction can significantly reduce the amount of construction waste generated on construction sites, reduce adverse environmental impact on sites, enhance the quantity control of concreting work, reduce the amount of site labor, increase worker safety. Other impediments to IM fabrication and IM assembly are increased transportation difficulties, greater inflammability, and more advanced procurement requirements. I hope you have understood. Thank you.